In this session, I'll ask you some questions, and you'll practice answering them. This is a great way to improve your English speaking skills and have fun while learning. Let's get started. What do you do? Are you married? Why are you studying English? How did you learn English? What do you do in your free time? How's the weather? What time is it? Can I help you? How's it going? How are you feeling? How was your day? Did you like the movie? How was the party? Can you give me a hand? What have you been up to lately? What would you like to drink? Can I get you anything else? What is your name? How old are you? What is your favorite food? Are you working tomorrow? Can I see your passport, please? Is the battery connected correctly? How long have you been here? What are you two talking about? Which is better, chicken or fish?